Good afternoon, class 9. Today's topic is about the League of Nations. The League of Nations functioned through an assembly, a council, a permanent secretariat. Moreover, it had under it two autonomous bodies, namely Permanent Court of International Justice and International Labour Organization. The first session of the League of Nations was convened on 15 November 1920 and the last session was convened on 14 December 1939. Now I am going to talk about the assembly. It consisted of the representatives of all the member states, each being entitled to vote. The assembly was a deliberate and advisory body. It had no power to legislate or compel acceptance of its decisions. Its function: it made budget for the leagues. It also elected the non-permanent members of the League Council. It admitted new states as members of the League. Now is about Council. The League Council consisted of permanent and non-permanent members. Originally there were 5 members. They were Great Britain, France, Italy, Germany and the USA. But finally the USA refused to join it. 4 non-permanent members were elected from lesser powers by the Assembly. Their function: to formulate plans for the reduction of armament, to protect member states from aggression, all emergencies arising in international affairs were to be dealt with by the Council. All important decisions of the Council were required to be unanimous to mediate dispute between members. Permanent Secretariat. It consisted of a Secretary General appointed by the Council and approved by the Assembly. Functions: to collect and compile data on international problems, to register treaties, to act as secretaries at deliberations of the Council and the Assembly. It was situated at Geneva. Now is about Permanent Court of International Justice. It's an autonomous body. It consisted of 15 judges. Its function: the Permanent International Court of Justice was to interpret any disputed point in international law. It also determined when treaty obligations had been violated. International Labour Organization. It's also an autonomous body. Its function: it had the duty to secure and maintain fair and human conditions of labor for men, women and children. The assessment of the League of Nations. The League of Nations started its work promisingly. However, for the sectarian and shellfish policy pursued by the big powers, it finally failed to secure peace for the world. For example, when Japan attacked Manchuria in 1931, the League failed to discharge its responsibilities. Ultimately, after Hitler started conquering territories in utter disregard to the Treaty of Versailles, the fall of League became inevitable. The topic is over.